Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial about gimbals on RC controls. So if you want to change the gimbal from self-centering to ratchet mode, I will show you in a minute how to do it. First thing you have to do, you get an Allen key or a hex screwdriver and you plug it on that specific hole that you see in the video. And I will try to put some light inside to see. It's a small screw that's pressing on a piece of plastic inside of the gimbal. So if you tighten that screw, it will give you the ratchet mode. So ratchet mode, it's very useful for flying planes or wings, and self-centering mode, it's good for flying like quadcopters and drones and so on. So hope this will help you and see you in the next one. Thanks.